What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back. So today I'm doing a bit of a collab with the local fishing legend Ry.Flies. I'll put a link up to his Instagram page, and yeah, we're going out and we are gonna try and catch ourselves some crocodiles out of Coniston Lake. So you'll notice the Volvo's gone and I've got myself a Ford Ranger. I'm going to do its own video for this, but I've just fitted the Expedition tail end, as you can see, from Direct 4x4. It's a aluminium canopy with a built-in hard shell roof tent on top, and it's a pretty decent bit of kit. You can get in the tent from underneath inside, which is pretty smart. But yeah, love the look of it. Looks miles better than the Truckman that was on it, and yeah, lights were a bit of a pain in the ass to fit, but never mind. I'm going to be doing this up, turning it into a bit of an expedition overlander type thing, so he'll have some big naughty wheels and tyres come in and maybe a lift kit, but don't tell the wife. We're going to be stopping in Ry's two-man bivvy, and it's going to be a pretty luxurious camp to what I'm used to, because I've got my carp fishing bed, and rather than having a backpack on and all the rest of it to get down there, I've bought the folding wheelbarrow and all the gear. So bit of a last minute pack up, so hopefully I've not forgotten anything. And I bought some nice scran as well that I've had to cook half of it at home, so I'll show you that shortly. So yeah, stick around if you want to see some crocodiles in the wild in a bit. Does that even make sense? Right, so that was an absolute mission to set up. Getting down here with the wheelbarrow was a bit of a nightmare because it is pretty rough. I'll just show you this lovely picturesque place. Absolute dossers, even bigger dossers, and then finally, what is that? Scumbags. You literally can't go anywhere in the Lake District now without people leaving the crap everywhere. Muppets. So any road, it's enough of that, because I think we did enough of that last week. We're using Ry's Westlake bivvy. It's a two-person bivvy. I bought the X-Fire with me just in case we decide to have a fire off the floor. Not that there's much point, because the state of them Muppets are leaving it in. So we've got 4 rods in down the bottom. We're both fishing mackerel, and yeah, fingers crossed we catch some big crocs. Stunning. Going to be a pretty luxurious camp there, so looking forward to it. I'm going to sit down, might have myself a loud beer, and yeah, hopefully don't get too drunk before the fish start biting. So we just had to retire to this mansion of a tent to cook the scran. I bought the worst possible stove to cook scran on as well, because it's kind of all concentrated to the middle. So we've got a frozen pan of chilli with a can of chilli with it. So Ra made some what is it?
Smoked pulled pork chilli.
Smoked pulled pork chilli. Bang tidy. So we've got some lukewarm jacket potatoes to have with it, because I've got now to cook the spuds on. So thankfully I warmed them up at home before I came, and a bit of cheese and a bit of butter, so that should be good. And some chilli that's maybe frozen in the middle and burnt on the outside, so yeah, bang tidy. Should be a good do. So typically, oh, it's going. Yeah, wait, just wait a sec. I'll bring you back in a minute.
You might have to reel quite a bit. Is there out on? Yeah, there is.
Feels like an eel.
The net. If it is an eel, you can fucking deal with it.
I don't want to deal with it if it's an eel. Fish on! Oh no, it's not an eel.
You up?
It's not an eel. Just had a bit of a run then.
There you go. Happy days. You got the big forceps.
Good job.
Buzzing.
Just surfaced over there, look. Might be a big pile of weed.
That, yeah, it will be. I'm just gonna move your rod and drop it. It'll fall over my line.
Oh, yeah!
Big croc in the crocs. It's a decent size. Yeah.
Hopefully it's not on it. Well, it's all that one out. A good fish, yeah. Go on, Dad. She's in the net. Right. Bloody crocodile.
How is that? That's not even hooked properly. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, don't want to be doing that again. Okay.
Look at the size of the head on it. Mint. Yes, look at that beast. Whoa, let's get him back.
It's a good little fish.
Oh, so Crocs and socks were a bad shout. Mint. Oh well. 1-0. Post catch scrant. Oh baby. Just chilling out in the tent. Couple of our beeps. Might have got snagged up in some weed, but Ry said it felt like a decent fish.
Come off and just snagged you.
Oh no. Still on.
It definitely did snag you up.
Did snag me up, did it?
Pull it down, you can see it down here. Okay. Net.
What the hell? It's the bloody Loch Ness monster, man.
That's smaller. It's smaller, isn't it?
It is.
With your camera like that. Ah. One smaller.
Colour on that baddie.
Hey, right.
Decent. Similar size to before, eh?
Yeah.
There you go. 2 fishes. Not too bad. It's pays to come out with Ry.Flies. Happy days. Good morning. So, not a bad night last night. 2 fish in the bag, and I lost 2 around 4, half 4 in the morning. I ended up jumping out of bed because one of my bite alarms was going off. Started reeling that one in and got snagged up, and then just as I got snagged up, the other one started going off and started reeling that one in instead, and yeah, lost both fish. So a bit disappointed with that, but we got 2 in the bag anyway. So we're just organising all of this carnage now, and yeah, gonna get ourselves packed up and get away. So if you enjoyed this sort of video, please consider liking and subscribing, and drop us a comment and let us know what you want to see in the future. See you next time. Ta-da.
Come on.